What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to talk about Grasshopper. Grasshopper is a virtual phone system designed for small businesses, offering features like custom business numbers, call forwarding, and business texting. With user-friendly mobile and desktop apps, it enables entrepreneurs to manage communications seamlessly while maintaining a professional image, all at affordable price. Now, let's talk about some of its top features. Robust phone system. Grasshopper offers a full virtual phone system that extends far beyond basic call functionality. Enjoy custom greetings that professionally represents your brand and on-hold music to enhance the caller experience. With multiple extensions and a name directory, easily manage team communications. Call forwarding ensures you never miss an important client call, allowing you to answer from anywhere your business takes you. This cohesive system projects a polished image, streamlines internal communication, and guarantees accessibility for your clients, boosting both efficiency and customer satisfaction. Integrated Business SMS. More than just a texting app, Grasshopper's Business SMS feature integrates seamlessly with a comprehensive virtual phone system. Benefit from VOIP capabilities, custom greetings, and call forwarding, all within one platform. Voicemail transcriptions are conveniently accessible in your email inbox, saving you time and ensuring you never miss vital information. Stay connected on the go with mobile and desktop apps, plus combining business and personal contacts by syncing your phone's native contact list with Grasshopper app enhances organization and convenience, making communication effortless. Versatile VoIP solution. Grasshopper's VoIP goes beyond simple Wi-Fi calling, providing a versatile virtual phone system packed with features. Enjoy voicemail transcription for easy message management and call forwarding to stay connected wherever you are. Send and receive text messages directly from your business number, streamlining communication and maintaining a professional image. Mobile and desktop apps ensure you can manage communications with ease whether you're in the office or on the move. This comprehensive approach to VoIP keeps you connected and efficient. Voicemail made easy. Grasshopper's voicemail transcription feature transforms your voicemail management. Forget tedious listening. Receive transcriptions directly in your email inbox. Quickly scan messages, prioritize responses, and save time on daily tasks. Share transcriptions with team members for collaborative follow-up, improving customer service. This feature makes handling voicemails more efficient. You'll have a searchable record of communications for future reference, ensuring no important detail is ever overlooked. Stay organized, responsive, and focused on growing your business. Professional Auto Attendant. Grasshopper's virtual receptionist feature offers a seamless and professional call management experience. Route incoming calls efficiently with customized greetings and menu options, directing callers to the right department or individual. Project a polished image even with a small team by providing a professional and structured phone system. Reduce call handling time and improve customer satisfaction by ensuring callers connect with the right person quickly. A virtual receptionist will handle routing, freeing up your team to focus on core business activities. Instant customer engagement. Grasshopper's instant response feature helps you promptly engage with customers even when you can't answer immediately. Set up automated text replies to common inquiries, providing instant information and letting customers know their message has been received. Improve responsiveness and demonstrate excellent customer service even outside of your business hours. Capture leads and provide essential information. This feature keeps customers engaged and informed. You ensure no potential opportunity is missed while maintaining a professional and attentive brand image. While Grasshopper offers numerous benefits, there are some potential drawbacks to consider. Dependence on internet. Grasshopper requires a stable internet connection, which can lead to service disruption during outages or poor connectivity. Limited advanced features. Some advanced features like complex call routing and analytics might be limited compared to more specialized VOIP systems. Cost for additional users. Adding multiple users can increase costs significantly, potentially straining budgets for larger teams or growing business. In conclusion, Grasshopper offers a robust virtual phone system ideal for small businesses, providing professional communication tools and flexibility. While it has some drawbacks, its features enhance productivity and customer engagement, making it a valuable solution for entrepreneurs seeking to protect a polished image. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.